Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, I am doing a video that has been highly requested by my peeps that are from St. Anne like myself, and we'll be looking at 6 affordable homes in St. Anne. All these homes will be under 20 million Jamaican dollars. Now guys, it's important that any house you find interested or you want further details, you click the link in the description box so that you can reach out to the realtor and get the contact information. Also, there will be a part 2 for this video, so stay tuned. Now let's jump right in with the first home. The first home we'll be looking at is this house located in Great Pond, Ocho Rios, and this one is listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars. Now, why this home is so special? This one is an income earner, and it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. Now, I'm going to break down for you guys how this house is split up. So this house, it has a main section with 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, right? But then it also has another section that could be rented out, which is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a kitchen. It also has an additional unit to the back, which is just a standalone room that you can use for guests or helpers quarters, or you may be able to continue to develop that part, add on a bathroom, and also maybe even rent that part as well. Now, what I really like about this house, guys, there's not much updating that you will have to do or much renovation. As you can see, you already have some ceramic tiles in. The walls seem to be fine. The bathroom seems to be in an okay condition. You know, you just go in, do your personal touches, a little renovation here and there. But practically, this is move-in ready to go. And you have a part where you can generate some income, help you to pay the mortgage. I know you guys love these types of homes, so I definitely wanted to show this one to you guys. Again, this is in Great Pond, Ocho Rios, which is a good community. Great Pond also has some, new development going on there with some more modern houses. You have larger families that traditionally live there already. So yeah, Great Pond is a really great place. So as you saw a while ago, that was like the detached standalone room. So here's this one in Great Pond, Ocho Rios. Click the link in the description box below if you're interested. Right, so that's Great Pond House for you guys. The next home I'm showing you is located in Hermitage, Stairtown, and it's listed for 19.5 million Jamaican dollars. Now, I love this one because it has a large lot. It's actually over 54,000 square feet, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. This house is located in Stairtown, and if you're familiar with St. Anne, Stairtown is a community just outside of Ocho Rios. So you come off the highway, you make a little turns, and then you have a turn off that will take you up to Stairtown. It's a popular community for many persons. So this house also boasts water tank, water heater, a security system, and of course with the land space, you have opportunities to expand, opportunities to grow your farm and have your backyard planting and your different gardens and so forth. So that's this one here in Stairtown, St. Anne. Really nice. As you can see, just have a little renovating to do, not much either. House seems to be kept in great condition. I see the owners try to keep it in good condition, so that's really, really good for you. Maybe you just want to update, I don't know, maybe your tiles, and different little things, bathroom fixtures and so on. But here's this one in Stairtown, St. Anne. As I said, a really popular community for persons from St. Anne. Everyone knows Stairtown. So yeah, man, nice place to live, quiet. So here's the bathroom. Of course, we're over with these, wall tiles. So you definitely have to do some renovation in the bathroom. So budget for that. A complete renovation to be exact. So this one is in Stairtown. You have a nice little view, quiet, tranquil community. As I said, you already have your water tank set up, your water heater set up. You have a basement Forgot to mention that. And it also states that you have a security system here designed on the property already for you guys. So really nice. Yeah, seeing a nice land here when you can plant up. You already have some banana trees going. So yeah, man, Stair Town. Links for this one will be in the description box below. So click the link that says Stair Town if you want more information on this property. Now I know that there's someone who would love this home. It's located in St. Dacre, Brownstown, and it's listed for 12.5 million Jamaican dollars. I love this one because it sits on a really large plot of land, which is almost an acre large. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, but you have so much potential, to expand, and you also have the opportunity to do, small scale farming or your little backyard farming, plant up those produce and plants and food that you can grow and eat yourself. As we know, things gone up in Jamaica, and I know that has been a dream for many persons to just have their own backyard life, backyard farming, their own backyard garden, and to just live a really simple life. So here you have this house. The tiling, it's a mixture of terrazzo tiling and ceramic tiling, so you have a little updating to do with the home, of course. But so far you have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom there. You have a laundry room, kitchen area, storage area, and it also has an underground water tank system or water storage system. So as you can see, your bathroom is going to need a bit of updating, some renovations. You can put in some nice, more modern looking fixtures, of course, just to give the place a nice little facelift for your suiting and for your liking, right? And the dining area, maybe you want to go ahead and fix the roof or update the roof to something else, decking, maybe if that's what you like. But here you have it, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 12.5 million Jamaican dollars in Brownstown, St. Anne. Lots and lots of land space. As I said, the lot is almost an acre. So you have space to expand. You have space to do your backyard farming. You have space where you can plant up your fruits and your vegetables, and you already have fruit trees on the property. So you move in, you already have something to start pick and eat from already. So that's really, really good. Here it is, so beautiful, so tranquil. You know that being out here will be really, really peaceful and just calm. Probably if you want to retire or you wish to just live a more simple life in the countryside. So this one is for you. Brownstown is also really located to a lot of schools, closely located to a lot of schools, shopping areas, anything that you could need. So this one, 12.5 million Jamaican dollars. The next home I want to showcase to you guys is this home located in Mount Edgecombe, Runaway Bay, and it's listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars. The beauty about this one, it's another potential income earner home, which is 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. All right, let's go into the breakdown of how this house is divided. So you have a main section, which is 2 bedrooms, 2-bathroom, living, dining, and kitchen. And then you have the side where I guess you rent out, which is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen situation, right? So here's this one in Mount Edgecombe, Runaway Bay. Now, if you're familiar with anything about Runaway Bay, it's close to beaches, it's close to many hotels, it's a popular little tourist destination just outside of Ocho Rios. So it's one of those popular tourist areas in St. Anne. So you have Ocho Rios being, the main one, and then you have areas like Runaway Bay with small boutique-like hotels, lots of lovely beaches. So here's this one for you. As you can see, guys, you just have a small amount of updating to do. The property seems to be taken care of. You have a water tank situated already. So here's this one in Runaway Bay. People really like the Runaway Bay area, so this is a good one to jump on. So Mount Edgecombe, Runaway Bay, St. Anne, income earner, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 18 million Jamaican dollars. Link in the description box below if you want some more information on this one. Here is a lovely home located in Bamboo St. Anne. It's listed for $129,033 US or 19,859,489 Jamaican dollars. Now this one is also a potential income earner. It totals 5-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. Let's look at how it could be split up. So first you can have one unit with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and then a second unit with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and each would have their own living, dining, and kitchen. Alright, so this home, it is fully fenced, it's fully grilled. You do have a concrete water tank. You have hot water and cold water options. You also have fruit trees on the property. Alright, so fully fenced, fully walled, it seems. So really great one here in Bamboo St. Anne. Now Bamboo is a community further out of, further away from the coast. So past Brownstone, and you'd continue going up and up and up into the hills of St. Anne. But again, as I said, if you work in the Brownstone area, this would be a great place for you, even if you work in St. Anne's Bay as well. So here you can see it as a nice open concept kitchen. You have nice cabinetry already there and set up. Here you can see the water heater. You have ceramic tiles. The rooms seem to be, nice and airy and, decently enough spaced. Not nothing too small and squinge up and, we don't like that in our country, right? Space. So here is a great one in Bamboo St. Anne. Of course, you'd have to do some updating and renovations in the bathroom. It is a bit dated, as you can see. So budget for that. Hey, if you have, the colorful wall tiles in your bathroom, please do not be offended when we say we want to get rid of them. Do not be offended by what I am saying. I'm just speaking about what I know the average buyer would want, and most of them would want to go ahead and change those out first. So do not be offended at all if you have colorful wall tiles. Like, they were very popular at one point, which is the reason why almost all homes have them. So here's this one, Bamboo St. Anne, nice St. Anne home for you, and it has a decent large land space as well. Link in the description box. So here is the last home I will be showing you today, and it's located in Marine Gardens, which is in the Ocherius area. It's listed for 19 million Jamaican dollars, and it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, 2-story townhouse. Now, Marine Gardens, from what I can remember, I have only been here by once. It's really close to Ocherius, basically super close to the town center, and it's located near hotels, close to the beaches and like the coast, but it's still not a beachfront community. All right, so it's close to the beaches, close to hotels, but it's not a beachfront property. All right, so Marine Gardens now, I don't know what has happened of this community since I've been there last in St. Anne. So if you guys know, like, how is the Marine Gardens community right now, you can tell me in the description, in the comment section of this video. So all my St. Anne peeps, all Marine Gardens stay, all around their stay. Do we have any issues with crime? Do we have any issues like that? Or is it still, a nice community? So with this one here, they have listed and they have made a full disclosure that you will need to do complete renovations, right? So a lot of repair work needs to be done. As you can see here on the, the front porch, you do have the terrazzo tiling, and I think that continues throughout, and you're going to want to change that. You do have some repairing that needs to be done to the ceiling. You can see the wood in the ceiling needs repair. You're going to see as we continue looking at the house, the flooring needs repair. A lot of things, okay? A lot of things. But I'm glad that they made this full disclosure, and they're showing that the property needs some love, but with the right investor and the right homeowner or home buyer, this property can get some nice renovations if I should say it that way myself. So here, as you enter the property, you can see you have this nice like sitting area, and then this opens up into what I believe is going to be like the kitchen. Here you have the half bath, which would be used by your guests whenever they're at your house. Really small, really small. And then here you have your kitchen area. Again, really small, really small. Wow, this townhouse. But if you're a person who knows how to maximize space, this one may be for you. I've seen a lot of designs now with homes where they're adding certain shelving. You just have to be smart with the space. So you stay away from the bulky shelves, the bulky home decor items. And if you're really smart with your space, you can maximize a small living space and make it really open and just airy and make it appear even larger than what it actually is. So this home definitely needs a person who has a vision, or a contractor who has a vision who can transform it. So here you have the staircase that will take you upstairs, and I believe this is now the back porch. So the back porch, you have opportunities and areas where you can sit out. You can also hang your clothes right here. Very convenient for when it rains in St. Anne. We get some rain sometime, right? So here you can see the flooring or the carpeting is ripped up and a bit damaged, so that will have to be replaced, of course. Here is the first bathroom. We met about bathroom. So tired. Here is the first bedroom, which is small, but would be a good kids' room, or probably even an office or a little study area, whatever you would like it to be. And this seems to be like, this is like the next part of the room. I think this would be a closet. As you can see, those doors have to be taken out, damaged. The carpeting gotta go. And under the carpeting, I'm wondering if that's just exposed concrete and no tiling was done. Seems to me that's what it is, but hey. Here you have some closet area, so that gotta go. I just take that out, put in some new ones. Yeah, a lot of renovation needs to be done with this one, so budget for that. And they said it would be best suited for a cash buyer, which is true, because if you have a mortgage of, let's say, $19 million, it's not going to cover the renovation for this. It's just going to cover the purchase cost. So you have to budget in for the renovations that desperately will be needed. As you can see, almost everything on this house has to be repaired. Doors, windows, flooring, roofing, bathroom needs some updates. So yeah, this one will cost you a pretty penny, so I'm kind of save it for last. But if the Marine Gardens community is one that is still distinguished, as I said, I don't remember much about it anymore from the last time I've been there. So if you guys can tell me in the comments what has become of Marine Gardens, that would be really, really helpful. Help this Saint and girl out. I do not remember what has become of this community. So tell me in the comments down below what has become of Marine Gardens, and if this one would be a good buy, or what you're thinking about this one. So as you can see here, I really like the fact that they included all the pictures, just so that persons don't go in blindly, which I can see with a lot of these homes that are marketed, where they sell you something with the pictures online, but something else is what awaits you when you go to view. So that was the last house for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tell me which house was your favorite. Also, make sure you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Comment down below, share it with your friends and families. Also, don't forget in the comments, tell me what you guys want to see. Stay tuned also for part 2 of this video, because I found much more St. Anne homes. I just couldn't fit them in this video, it would be too long. So thank you guys for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.